Hey, how y'all doing? I'm a Big M driver, trainer. I just brought my truck in today. I had a flat on it. Guys, they taking care of me. I really appreciate everything the guys do for me here, and I thank them.
I'm welding end caps on a cross member for a trailer.
Gotta go clock in first. Welding this sand shoe on here. Yeah, go out and do a DOT on it too. When you get the form out, I can get the DOT form out and you can see what a DOT form looks like while he's using the welder over there. DOT, you go over this whole paper right here. Everything on this paper is on this trailer, except for fuel tanks and stuff. And you're going over the whole thing, making sure everything's safe and ready to go.
The hardest part about working in the shop?
Cross members.
The what?
The cross members stuff.
Really? So that's the most recent that you have to work on?
Yeah, we got about 12 trailers got to put them in there.
Does the heat bug you at all?
I'm used to it because when I work construction, that's what I do. So once my old head burns once, it's already done for the year.
I put new trucks in service.
IC machine. Where you change the oil. Well, I hated it. I don't work down here no more. So being inside.
Or be outside?
I'd rather be outside. It's the heat in the winter. You know what I'm talking about? Like when it's cold outside, the heat.